Hey, Rembo here, and I'm going to give you a little quick tip. Went to go move the motorcycle, and I realized, I've been not paying attention to my maintenance, so this got a little bit loose here on the handguard. So, brush guard, whatever you want to call it. So rather than just tighten this down, I thought maybe we would take it off completely, take a better look at it, and then explain exactly how this works when it tightens. Let's take a peek. All right, since this is already loose, no reason to loosen it anymore because I can just be able to pull it out. So what I need to do is need to take off this piece up here, just one screw. What you're gonna need is this right here, a 5mm hex key. That's literally all you need. So if this is something that you're gonna put in your travel kit to make sure that this stays nice and tight, make sure that you keep a 5mm in your travel kit. So we'll go ahead and just back this straight out right here. And once it's off, this is pretty much how it looks. Kind of naked to me. All right, so once you have it apart, you're gonna have the cylinder that goes up inside the handlebar, and then you're gonna have this insert that's gonna go down in like that into that hole right inside there. Don't forget, you can't lose this, all right? Make sure, I'm just showing you this in case you take it apart and maybe it dropped, you lost it. And then of course, the screw that has the 5mm hex on it. Now, one of the things that's important about putting this thing back together is that for this piece in particular, we're gonna use some thread lock. I like to use blue. You can use whatever brand you want. I don't even know where I got this, but blue is kind of like your medium. And here's how this works, okay? This whole cylinder fits inside, and then this piece right here, okay, this one right here, it isn't attached, it's not threaded, it's just a hole through. So then when this piece right here, let's see if I can get this on camera. This piece is threaded, all right, if you can see that. And then when you tighten the screw, what it does is it pulls this piece inward, therefore sliding, and as that slides, what happens is this expands and that creates pressure inside the inside diameter of your handlebars. So we'll go ahead and put this right back up inside and get this in place. Okay, now one of the things I forgot to mention is that if you let this too loose, when you go to spin this on, okay, it's just gonna rotate everything and it's not gonna catch up. So what you wanna do is just get it up and started like this, hand tighten some of this so that you have some friction in there. Without any friction inside here, that's never gonna catch and pull that together. Here's where we're gonna add a little bit of thread lock on here. That should be more than sufficient with blue, and let's put it on the bike. And let's not forget this insert. Very important we have that insert. And now that the top piece is back in place, we can start tightening this down while pushing it that way so that it's nice and tight up against the handlebar. And there you have it. Once you get this done, it is now nice and tight, and make sure we check the other side. Hey, this is Rembo. I hope that you like and subscribe. If you like these little tidbits like this, it's important that you go ahead and you make sure that you always check your bolts and whatever you can to do some preventive maintenance. Something simple just to make sure that things aren't loose. That's it. Have yourself a great day.